Hello, champion. Chef George here from the George's Live Cooking Show. Today is Sneak Peek Sunday. Welcome. We're going to jump right into it. Before we do that, though, I want you to hit the link below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share, like, let the world know we're impacting and changing lives one taste bud at a time with the world famous George's all-purpose barbecue sauces and rubs. I said rubs. Hint, hint. All right, here we go, guys. So we got some simple ingredients. It's going to be an awesome pesto, and we're going to be doing a habanero, a roasted habanero pesto. It's so great to be back in the kitchen. We were out of the kitchen for about 3 or 4 weeks. Today it's hot sage toenails outside, so we couldn't go outside because the iPhone just can't take the heat. So we just had to come inside, and we wanted to do this awesome recipe. So here we go. So we got some roasted habanero. And you may look at them and say, wait a minute, they're burnt. No, they're roasted now. We want that. We get them a little crunchy on the edges. We got that little, you know, it's got that nice little stuff on the edges. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in the Vitamix. So we got red onion, about a quarter, 3/4 of red onion in there. Boop, boop, boop. Right? We have some fresh thyme. And you just kind of just take some peelers off. Like 2-3 sprigs of oh, it smells so good. And this is courtesy from Thompson Farm. Our girl Brenda and South Glastonbury. This is fresh thyme. So shout out to my good friend Brenda Sullivan in South Glastonbury. This is some fresh thyme. About 3 or 4 sprigs of fresh thyme. You just pull it back. You just kind of pull back the stuff on it, and you get the little. It smells so good. Fresh thyme, and we're gonna get the rest of that out of there. Can't put your hand in it when that's going though. All right, so now we have some fresh sage. We're gonna put in here. We got some, and here we have some dried parsley, some dried cilantro, some dried basil, and I'll leave all of the ingredients in the description. We have some sea salt, also, and we're going to be using some olive oil.
If I may. Oh, Popeye.
So we're going to go ahead and put this in like this. And this is a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Now, for some reason you don't want to use oil per se, you can use some tahini to substitute this. Just a little side note. So we got 1/4 cup of olive oil. Everybody's in the pool, so now we got to put these.
Not everyone.
So what I did was I put these in on the grill on direct heat, and I've had on this here with some foil. And what I did was I let them go probably about 30-40 minutes on direct heat. So they got some nice char on them. These is roasted, and these are gonna be nice. It's gonna have a nice earthy, smoky deliciousness to it. And be careful now when you go ahead and make sure you wash your hands, because the oils from this that I'm doing right now, it'd be a good idea to use gloves, because if you don't, you're gonna be sorry. So go ahead and do that. Put that in like that. This is real simple, real simple. Boom, that's simple. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and put this in the Vitamixer. You can jerk some vegetables, maybe some Brussels sprouts or some corn. Put this on some corn, grill some corn with it. It's got some real, smell that? It's got some real strong flavor to it. And what you can do is just take this, and whatever you don't use, you can put it in the refrigerator, and it should last in the refrigerator at least a week. And And this is it, man. Real simple, real easy, and maybe I'll taste a little bit of it. I'm telling you, it's gonna be a little spicy. It smells good. That's got some kick to it. Woo. I'm kind of a wimp when it comes to hotness, but that's got some good kick to it. It's going right on my tongue. And it's not like this. It starts at the tip of the tongue, you know, the hair, and goes right back into your throat. So it goes woof into the back of your throat. But it's good. So you can, again, you can use this. Now, if you don't want to go with this, because habanero could be really abrasive for some, you can use a bell pepper. You can use bell pepper instead, which is really low on the Scoville scale. Habaneros is really higher on the Scoville scale, and that Scoville scale is just the amount of heat from the pepper. So that's a higher Scoville, the habanero. Woo. But bell pepper, however, bell pepper could be lower. So if you don't want to have the heat, go with bell pepper. Something along that line, something a real low on the Scoville. But this right here is banging. You can, you can jerk your chicken, you can jerk your fish. For those of you meat eaters, you can jerk, like I said, you can brush this on your corn and grill it on your corn. Real good, real simple, some simple ingredients. Again, if you don't want to use the olive oil, you can use tahini, which is sesame seeds that is blended together to make like a pasty type of a oily type of a texture. You can substitute that to get that nice, I say jatnit, to get that
Gelatinous,
or just that really binds together. So that's my time, guys. This was the awesome roasted Habanero pesto. Some simple ingredients, delicious, awesome. Right here on Sneak Peek Sunday. Again, make sure you hit the link below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share this video, like this video, let the world know, because we're impacting and changing lives one taste bud at a time with the world famous Georgia all-purpose barbecue sauces and rubs. Hint, hint, we're going to be rolling out about 3 or 4 more rubs really soon, so keep your eyes peeled for that. Also, stay tied in. Make sure you let the world know. You guys are awesome. I'm Chef George. You guys are awesome. God bless. Chef George out.